Imagine a world where seeing is no longer believing, where a single photograph can be transformed into a full-body video, complete with lifelike movements and gestures. This is the world ByteDance, the tech giant behind TikTok, is building with its groundbreaking AI, OmniHuman. OmniHuman is more than just a technological marvel. It's a glimpse into the future of artificial intelligence. It's a future where the digital and physical worlds merge, creating exciting possibilities and daunting challenges. This technology has the power to revolutionize entertainment, education, and even healthcare. Imagine creating immersive training simulations, personalized virtual assistants, or lifelike digital avatars. But what happens when this technology falls into the wrong hands? What happens when deepfakes become indistinguishable from reality, eroding trust and fueling misinformation? At the heart of OmniHuman lies the power to create deepfakes. Deepfakes are videos that have been digitally altered to replace one person's likeness with another's. This technology has been around for a while, but OmniHuman takes it to a whole new level. Instead of requiring hours of video footage to train the AI, OmniHuman can generate a realistic deepfake video from a single photograph. This is possible thanks to a sophisticated neural network trained on a massive dataset of videos. By analyzing the input photograph, OmniHuman can extrapolate how that person would move and behave in a video, creating a surprisingly convincing digital replica. You provide the AI with a photograph of the person you want to deepfake. You then input the desired actions or dialogue you want the person to perform in the video. The AI does the rest, generating a video that can be surprisingly difficult to distinguish from reality. This ease of use is both exciting and concerning, democratizing video creation while lowering the barrier for malicious actors. What makes OmniHuman's deepfakes so compelling is their realism. The AI doesn't just paste a face onto a body, it understands how a body moves. It captures the subtle nuances of human gesture, making the deepfakes eerily lifelike. This is achieved through a process called motion capture and synthesis. Traditionally, this has been done using expensive motion capture suits and specialized studios. However, OmniHuman bypasses these requirements by using AI to analyze and learn from existing video footage. The AI identifies key points on the human body, such as joints and facial features, and tracks their movement over time. By combining this skeletal animation with sophisticated rendering techniques, OmniHuman can generate videos that are almost indistinguishable from real life. This ability to capture the essence of human movement has profound implications for storytelling, animation, and video game development. Creating an AI as powerful as OmniHuman requires an astronomical amount of data. This data, in the form of countless hours of video footage, is the lifeblood of the AI, allowing it to learn and adapt. ByteDance hasn't disclosed the exact size of the dataset used to train OmniHuman, but experts speculate that it's likely in the petabytes, if not exabytes. To put that in perspective, 1 exabyte is equivalent to approximately 1 billion gigabytes. This data is sourced from a variety of places, including publicly available videos, licensed content, and potentially even data collected from TikTok. The sheer volume of data is crucial for training the AI to recognize patterns, understand context, and generate realistic deepfakes. However, the reliance on such massive datasets raises concerns about privacy and bias. Moreover, the use of personal data in training these AIs raises ethical questions that need to be addressed. Section 5. The Dark Side of Innovation, Deepfakes and Disinformation. As with any powerful technology, OmniHuman has the potential for misuse. The ability to create realistic deepfakes raises serious concerns about misinformation, political manipulation, and even personal harm. Imagine a world where anyone can be made to say or do anything on video, regardless of reality. The implications for political discourse are particularly alarming. Deepfakes could be used to discredit political opponents, spread false narratives, or even incite violence. Beyond the political sphere, deepfakes pose a threat to individual privacy and reputation. Imagine someone creating a deepfake video of you committing a crime, making inflammatory remarks, or engaging in embarrassing behavior. The rise of deepfakes presents a significant challenge for law enforcement, journalists, and social media platforms tasked with identifying and combating misinformation. Section 6. A Race to the Future. ByteDance versus the Tech Giants. ByteDance isn't alone in its pursuit of realistic AI-generated videos. Tech giants like Google and Meta, formerly Facebook, are also heavily invested in this technology, pouring billions into research and development. This has sparked a silent arms race of sorts, with each company vying to create the most advanced and realistic AI. Google, with its vast resources and expertise in AI, has made significant strides in developing its own deepfake technology. Similarly, Meta has been actively researching AI-generated videos, focusing on their potential applications in virtual reality and social media. However, ByteDance's OmniHuman stands out for its accessibility and ease of use. While Google and Meta's technologies are primarily focused on research and development, ByteDance seems poised to make this technology available to the masses. The competition between these tech giants is driving rapid innovation in the field of AI-generated videos, raising concerns about ethical considerations and the potential for misuse. Section 7. The Ethical Tightrope. Navigating the Future of Synthetic Media. The advent of AI-generated videos like those created by OmniHuman raises a host of ethical concerns. One of the most pressing concerns is the potential for deception and manipulation. Deepfakes could be used to spread misinformation, influence elections, or even incite violence. Another concern is the impact on privacy. As AI-generated videos become more prevalent, it will become increasingly difficult to control one's own image and likeness. Moreover, the rise of synthetic media raises questions about authenticity and trust. In a world where seeing is no longer believing, how do we determine what's real and what's not? Section 8. A World Redefined. The Promise and Peril of OmniHuman. The future of synthetic media, as embodied by ByteDance's OmniHuman, is a double-edged sword. On the one hand, it holds immense promise for innovation and creativity, offering unprecedented tools for storytelling, entertainment, and communication. OmniHuman and similar technologies could revolutionize the entertainment industry. Imagine creating realistic digital actors, breathing new life into historical figures, or even bringing back beloved celebrities. Beyond entertainment, synthetic media could transform education, healthcare, and various other industries. Imagine interactive educational simulations, personalized virtual assistants, or even lifelike avatars for virtual meetings and conferences. However, the power to create realistic deepfakes could easily be used for malicious purposes, from spreading misinformation and propaganda to perpetrating fraud and harassment. As this technology becomes more sophisticated and accessible, it's crucial to develop ethical guidelines, legal frameworks, and technological safeguards to mitigate these risks. Section 9. Conclusion. Stepping into the age of synthetic reality. We are on the cusp of a new era, one where the line between reality and simulation becomes increasingly blurred. ByteDance's OmniHuman is a powerful symbol of this shift, a harbinger of a future where synthetic media becomes ubiquitous. The key to harnessing the power of synthetic media lies in striking a delicate balance. We must foster innovation and creativity while simultaneously developing ethical frameworks, legal safeguards, and technological solutions to mitigate the risks of misuse. The future of synthetic media is not predetermined. It's a future we are actively shaping through our choices and actions. By approaching this technology with a critical eye, embracing open dialogue, and prioritizing ethical considerations, we can strive to create a future where synthetic media empowers rather than endangers humanity. The time to act is now, while we still have the opportunity to shape the future of synthetic reality.